Want to learn how to enable dual apps or clone apps on an Android phone? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to enable dual apps of any of the available apps on your phone or in another language to have a clone app, you need to go to the settings of your phone, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on dual apps, below manage apps. Tap on this sliding bar next to a particular app. So I want Facebook to have its clone on my phone. So I'm going to tap on the sliding bar on the right corner next to Facebook. You can see that icon added to home screen. Now you can go back and see on your phone that you have a dual Facebook. That is, there are two of the Facebook on the screen. So now you can tap on Facebook and get started. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.